This is a video of 16 cans of miscellaneous stuff out of a gentleman's basement of a house clean out. So I got close-up pictures to help you out better. Just real quick, I'm going to run through these. Pretty much nails and staples is all this is. This is all going to be one lot. Faucet items. I got close-up pictures of all these in the listing. And we got a lot more tools coming up. Well, I would say these are not exactly tools. These are items out of this gentleman's basement. All kind of oddball stuff coming up.